Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we will discuss about the product for design of efficient binary comparator in quantum dot cellular automata. Next we will see the abstract for the product. A digital comparator or man-tool comparator is a hardware electronic device that takes two numbers. Comparator are used in central processing unit and microcontrollers. Quantum dot cellular automata are in the attractive emerging technologies suitable for a development of ultra-dense, low-power, high-performance digital circuits. Efficient solution have recently has been proposed for several arithmetic circuits such as adder, multiplier, and comparator. Nevertheless, since the digital designs of circuits in quantum dot cellular automata still poses several challenges. Novel implementation strategies and methodologies are highly desirable. This paper proposes a new design approach oriented to the implement of binary comparator in quantum dot cellular automata. New formulation of basic logic equations required to perform the comparison functions comparison functions or basic logic equation required to perform the comparison function are proposed. A new strategy has been exploited the design of two different comparator architecture and for the several operation word lengths. With respect to the existing counterparts, the comparator proposed here exhibit the significantly high speed and reduced overall area. Next we will see the flow diagram for the product. First of all, the input bits are applied to the binary comparator architecture. The input bits are to apply the majority logic gate architecture. The majority logic gate architecture to find the more number of ones and zeros in the input bits. This architecture is to find the majority of for three input functions and modify the architecture using the Boolean equation. This architecture is mainly used for car comparison process for the given more number of bits. The majority gate is the basic component of the comparator architecture. Next we will discuss the Franklin logic functions. The Franklin logic function is one of the optimization technique for the majority logic gate architecture. This optimization technique is mainly based upon the Boolean logic function. The modified Boolean logic function processed by the Franklin logic optimized function to be applied in the majority logic gate architecture. This technique is reduced to the number of gate pattern count for the majority architecture compared to the proposing methodology. Next we will see the QCA module. The QCA module is consisting more number of logical blocks in the majority gate architecture. The comparator architecture consists the more number of majority gate to be presented. The QCA model is to optimize the overall comparating architecture. This module to enhancement the work for the comparison purpose and to develop the high speed compared to the existing methodology. This method is to connect the overall architecture consists of small modules and these modules used to improve the processing time. Finally, we will discuss the 32-bit comparator architecture block. The 32-bit comparator is to design the process and this architecture is to find the correct comparison results for any type of applications. This architecture consists of more number of QCA models and consists the 85 number of majority gate architecture in the overall comparating architecture. This modification process mainly focused about the 32-bit comparating architecture. The comparating process is three type of comparison process will be applied. First of all, the A equal to B and A greater than B and A less than B. Three results are passed in the final comparating architecture and final comparison results are applied to the Xilinx process. Then we will discuss the synthesis and simulation results performance level for the comparating architecture levels. Finally, we see the output for the product. First of all, we run the majority gate architecture for the Xilinx ISC project. Just we run the output results. First, we open the Xilinx project navigator. Next, we see the design summary window. First, we double click the main functions and just we select the simulation and simulate behavior model. And open the ISM project list. Then we simulate the simulation result. Just we input for the A and B for the 32-bit comparison results. Just we input the binary result for the input data. Next, apply the input for the B. Just OK. Then run the time specified on the toolbar option. Just we run the output results. We display the three output results: A bigger than B, B bigger than A, then A equal to B. First, just we see the input for the A and B and display the output for A is greater than compared to the B results. Just we apply the B input data. Just we run for the time specified on the process. Just we display the B bigger than A results and A equivalent B results. Just we close the next we select the implementation results and then select the view RTL schematic and run the view RTL schematic process. Just we run the synthesis report results. Run the synthesis report. Just we add and create this schematic diagrammatic representation. This diagrammatic RTL representation is based upon the logical and logical structures for the our 32-bit comparator architecture. Then we select the view technology schematic. Just we run the view schematic diagram, add and create schematic. Just we open the technological diagrammatic structure. This structure is represent the lookup table and flip-flop pairs and the wire connections for the 32-bit comparator architecture. Just we open the design summary process. Just select the synthesis report result and we calculate the device utilization process for our process. This process is mainly based upon the area for the 32-bit comparator architecture. Just we calculate the timing summary results. Our path delay time is 4.343 nanoseconds for our 32-bit comparating results performance.